Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC60 service light. This is a common task that you can easily perform yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you understand the process. You won't need any special equipment, just a few moments of your time to get your dashboard clear and your car ready for the road. Before we begin, make sure your Volvo XC60 ignition is completely off. It's also important to close all doors and the hood to ensure the car system is in the correct state for the reset. Next, find the trip odometer reset button, usually located on the instrument cluster. This button will be key to initiating the service light reset sequence. Now let's perform the reset. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button. While still holding it, turn your ignition key to position 2, which is the on position, without starting the engine. Keep holding the button. After about 10 seconds, the service light should begin to flash. Once it flashes, release the button immediately. This signals the reset is complete. After releasing the button, turn the ignition off and then back on to confirm the service light has been successfully reset and is no longer illuminated. If the light remains on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing. Remember, consistent vehicle maintenance is the best way to keep your Volvo running smoothly and avoid unexpected service messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.